Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe Passro and press the bell icon. We are doing birthday series. People who born on this day, kindly comment yes, I born on this day, or this is my birthday. So it will help people to find each other. We also wishes you happy birthday. I am be with my computer. Today we are going to see secret of facts about people born on this March
21st, this month of birthday of transformation. The one born under this month of birthday 21 has to pass the transformation of his personality, understand himself and come to the understanding of the higher laws of the universe. Doing this, he will be based on his deep experiences from the past lives, to realize who he was. He will look into the depths of his subconscious mind in search of his true personality and direct his glance to the other worlds, to know the height of his soul. People of this month of birthday 21 are characterized by a great creativity and dedication. They are able to enter the new spheres of feelings and being itself. Many of them are interested in the ancient history, myths, philosophy, issues of life and death. They like to discover different aspects of life. In their early age, these people are sometimes naive, which brings them pretty much of confusions. Gaining new experiences, they become more reasonable and legible. In the same time, the height of their moral requirements will not be reduced. Their idealism will just have a shade of practicality. Often people born under this month of birthday 21 are guided by the instinctual impulses, in the same time they believe in predestination. In other words, they are doing what they believe is right, but in the same time they take life as it is. They are very sociable, easy to get along with people. In their presence everyone feels good. They respect opinions of the others, and feel what the other people need. In love, they are passionate, sincere, faithful and romantic. Family values are also very important in their lives. People of this month of birthday 21 can constantly feel the inextricable link with their loved ones, caring and being attentive to them. They like to think and analyze everything. Understanding the essence of any problem, they penetrate deeply inside, gather information, carefully think about it, make a plan of action and strictly follow it. They need to develop themselves and their talents in order to make as much as it is possible in their lives. Stagnation gradually depletes all their talents and abilities. People of this month of birthday 21 must learn to focus their energy and direct it to solve a specific issues. Emotional characteristics. Their emotional life can really be called saturated, as they have all qualities of this month of birthday 2 and all energy of this month of birthday 1. They need spiritual and physical communication. Although they are not as strong as this month of birthday S1 and 3, they are still stronger than this month of birthday 2, and they also need physical satisfaction. Sexually they are not weak, with a high tendency to romance. This makes them a good lovers, as they react to both the spiritual and physical sides of their partners, and if the partner is not very sexy, they can satisfy him in both ways, spiritually and physically. They have a pretty good appetite, not being too demanding, and their ability for the spiritual communion makes them more interesting. As we already mentioned above, people of this month of birthday 21 are getting along pretty well with almost anyone, because they have magnetism and energy of this month of birthday 1 and sensitivity of this month of birthday 2. These people are intelligent, and they are always trying not to offend others, but their pessimism can be annoying, and they may lose friends if they will go too deep in it. On the other hand, They have a tendency to dictatorship under the influence of this month of birthday 3, and they like everything to be done as they want. Their partners and followers should be their supporters at difficult times. This month of birthday is quite a contradiction, and spouses of such people need to feel their mood and react accordingly. People born under this month of birthday 21 usually are lucky because they have a happy combination, which includes this month of birthday 1. They should stay away from the negative thinking and imposing their views. If they manage to do it, then a big success is guaranteed because they have intelligence and energy. The only thing they need, a well-developed will and confidence. You are gifted with unique creativity and determination for success. Communication skills and skills for persuasion are simply your trump cards. People quickly get along with you. The imagination you have is impressive. You are a generator of ideas. Your imagination is manifested in everything you do, in the way you speak, and how you carry yourself. You are filled with inner energy and able to make lots of good things for people around, and your imagination may serve as a tool for boosting a quality of life. People are amazed by your wit and humor. You are skillful in oral and written activities. You can be a great show host, leading singer, screenwriter, etc. You like to be in the limelight and people around know that the party is when you are. You can make great salesperson as you are talkative and persuasive. You are an amazing lover because you are passionate and imaginative. However, most of the time, you get love rather than give love because it is easy to love you, but for you things are more complicated. Your disadvantage is your main problem is in finding the right place for you, where you feel comfortable to implement your ideas. You should become more independent and able to generate ideas and create plans for their implementation, no matter to what place you belong now. Searching for a better place where to start is another procrastination from living now. You are easily influenced by the actions and words of others. Sometimes you are emotionally unstable and tend to exaggerate. Don't let your imagination ruin your reality.